We all have busy lives, and here are a few superstar recipes that your family is going to love, and you will shine when you make them. And the best part, they're super easy. To make this recipe, you'll need egg noodles that are fresh, blanched, and cooled. You'll need some bean sprouts, celery, green onions, sliced onions. You'll also need some Napa cabbage or some type of green vegetable. You'll need ginger and garlic for flavoring. The sauces you'll need to flavor this dish are soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and you'll need a little bit of salt and also cooking oil to keep it from sticking to your pan. Start with a wok or non-stick skillet and bring it to medium heat. Add a little bit of oil and onion. Stir until your onions are about a quarter ways done. You just want to cook them long enough so that some of the rawness comes out of the onion. Now add in your ginger and your garlic. Stir that around, add your veggies. We put in our Napa cabbage first, and then some bean sprouts, and our celery. Cook this until your veggies are softened, and add your green onions. Now add in your blanched noodles. Add in some salt, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. Give that a stir and add a little bit of sesame oil. Now it's ready to plate. For this recipe, you'll need 8 ounces of protein. Today we're using chicken. You'll need a cup of stock. You'll need a slurry made from cornstarch and water, ginger and garlic, snap peas, sliced onions, red and green bell peppers, bean sprouts, carrots, Napa cabbage, and celery. For your sauces, you'll need oyster sauce, soy sauce, and sesame oil. You'll need a little neutral oil to cook with. Bring a pot or wok of water to a boil. Add in your vegetables and cook until done, about 1.5 minutes. Strain your veggies and set aside. Heat your wok to medium heat. Add in some neutral cooking oil. Add in your chicken. To get a velvety texture of chicken, take a chicken breast and slice it real thin. Add a little cornstarch cooking wine, a little salt, and a little bit of oil, and combine and set aside for 15 minutes before cooking. Add in your ginger and your garlic. And add in your stock. Cook until your chicken is about 2/3 done. Add oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and add in your vegetables. Add in your cornstarch slurry and let your sauce thicken. To finish, add a little bit of sesame oil. To make the beef broccoli, these are the ingredients that you'll need. You need broccoli that's cut into florets, carrots that have been cut into slices. You need some beef that's been cut against the grain into slices, and then I've marinated this in a little bit of cornstarch, cooking wine, and it's just mixed together, and we let it sit for a few minutes. You will need ginger and garlic. You can leave that whole, or you can cut it into slices, or you can make it into a little paste. You'll need chicken stock. You'll need a little cornstarch that's mixed with some water. We call that a slurry, and that's used to thicken the sauce at the very end. You'll need a little cooking oil, some soy sauce, and you'll need oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is the item that gives it that beef broccoli flavor, or if you're making lo mein, you also use oyster sauce with it. It's a rich brown sauce that adds a savory note to anything that you cook. Now that you have all your ingredients ready to cook, turn on your wok and add some water. If you don't have a wok at home, any sauce pot or a spaghetti pot will do. When your water is at a rolling boil, add your broccoli and your carrots, or whatever vegetables you'd like to serve, into your water. Blanch your vegetables for about 2 minutes until they're just firm but tender. To your clean and dry wok, turn on the heat, add some oil, and add in your marinated beef. And then we're going to add in our ginger and our garlic. Then we're going to add in our chicken stock. Add in some soy sauce. And some oyster sauce. Add back in your blanched veggies. Give that a stir. Add in a little bit of the slurry so that your sauce tightens up. Add just a squirt of oil, and that gives it the restaurant shine. And that's how you make restaurant-style beef broccoli. See, these recipes really were easy, and I hope you'll try them at home. And if you do, leave a comment and let me know how you liked it.